Wow, guys, this is a giant pipe that we are installing manually. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? This is what you need. This is what you need as a farmer so that to overcome the irrigation problems. So guys, I'm installing because it's so dry, and I've shown you there's a playlist of profitable avocado farming business that all of you new farmers need to watch. And there are more videos. So today we are installing this giant pipe for irrigation because at the moment it's January there here in East Africa, and we're experiencing very dry season. So watch till the end, and also there are very many videos I did on irrigation. Check out, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And forever, this is your place to be. Peace.